Hi everyone, happy snowy Tuesday. Hope you're all staying safe. Unfortunately, due to the weather, we are working from homes today, and I wanted to at least reach out and make sure that you receive some information from me prior to the board meeting this evening. As we are looking at the 2022-2023 school year, we are expecting some staffing changes due to what our current enrollment numbers are currently for K1 and 2. So as an entire building entity, we will be down 3 FTEs. And again, this is due to enrollment, and our projected section sizes for next year are looking at 8 kindergarten, 8 first grade, and 7 second grade. There are going to be some positions that are going to be open in the different buildings due to just growth in those particular grades, which have already moved through the primary school, and also due to retirement. So there will be 2 internal postings for 4th grade positions at the intermediate school. There will also be an internal posting for an ELA teacher at the middle school. And we will have 1 position in 1st grade, as we do have one of our 1st grade teachers who is going to be moving. And I would just like to say, with permission from Crystal, that Crystal is okay with me sharing that she will be moving. And so there are 4 positions that are going to be internally posted. So I know that this raises a lot of questions, and I know that we are going to have continued conversations just about what next year may be looking like. Yes, this will have some specialist impact as well, and we will be setting up some meetings and times to kind of look at what that might entail. We know that our current specialist would be on an underload, and the intermediate specialist will be on an overload. So again, working collaboratively to make sure that our staff are full-time 1.0 FTEs, and again, with some of these conversations, we know that change will be needed, and we're going to work through it together. We are going to support each other the best that we can, and again, change is never easy, but we will be able to navigate through this and support each other, because that's what we'll need as we continue to move forward. So I know, again, there's probably a ton of questions that you might be having. I will be sending with this video a link for a Google Meet. I will be on from 1:30 to 2 if anybody wants to hop on and ask some additional questions. I know Dr. Newbick also said that he could hop on as well. Again, this is all based on enrollment, and we continue to monitor and hope for increased numbers. So again, we're going to make it through this together. I again wanted you to just see the information prior to the board meeting tonight, and I hope you stay safe the rest of your day and take care.